Hello everyone and welcome to Buckup. In today's video I will show you how to download and install MinGW and VS Code, and I will also show you how to set up VS Code for C++. First we will download and install VS Code. Open any browser. After opening the browser, click on the search bar and search for VS Code. Now click on the topmost search result. Click on Download for Windows if you are using Windows, or you can also click on other platforms if you are using a Linux or Mac OS machine. For this video we will click on Download for Windows. After clicking on Download, our download will begin shortly. Now we will open the Downloads folder where we have our VS Code set up, and we will install VS Code. Open the VS Code setup. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Again Next. One more time. Now here, make sure to check these two options. Please don't miss it. You can also tick the Create a Desktop icon option. Now click on Next. Click on Install. Now our VS Code is installed. We can now click Finish and open our VS Code. Now we will download and install MinGW. First open a browser. Type Msys2 in the search bar and hit Enter. Click on the topmost search result. Now click on this blue color text and our download will begin. Once the download has finished, open the Downloads folder. Open the downloaded Msys2 file. Click on Next. Again Next. One more time and the installation will begin. Once the installation is completed, click on Finish and open Msys2. Go to this video's description and you will find two commands which we will use now inside Msys2. Copy and paste the first command into Msys2 terminal and hit Enter. Type Y and hit Enter. Now Msys2 will download and install MinGW in our PC. Now copy and paste the second command into Msys2 terminal and hit Enter. Type Y and hit Enter. Now Msys2 will download and install GDebugger in our PC. Open the Windows Explorer and go to the C drive. Open the Msys64 folder. Open UCRT64 folder. Open bin folder. Now copy the address of this folder. Click on the Windows search bar and search for Edit System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. Click on Path and then click on Edit. Click on New and paste the folder's address here. Click on OK. Again OK. Again. Now to check whether our MinGW is installed correctly or not, we will open the command prompt. We will type the command g++ ---- version. You can see that the g++ version is showing. which means our MinGW is installed correctly and now we can use it. We can also know about our gdebugger by typing this command, gdebugger -version. We can also type gcc-version to find out whether the GCC is installed or not. G++ is used to compile C++ code, GCC is used to compile C code, and gdebugger is used to debug C++ code. Now we will set up Msys2 code for compiling C++ code with the MinGW compiler that we installed recently. Open Msys2 code. Go to the Extensions tab. Type C++ in the search bar. Click on the C/C++ extension pack and install it. Now type Code Runner in the search bar. Click on Code Runner extension and install it. Click on Trust Publisher and install it. Now I will create a C++ file and write some code to show you that our MinGW and extensions are installed correctly and are working. As you can see that our C++ code is being compiled correctly. That means our installation went right. If this video helped you, then please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.